Thermal scopes have moved from niche military applications into mainstream hunting and outdoor imaging, delivering actionable heat signatures across cover, at night, and in adverse weather. The ability to detect heat above ambient, coupled with onboard recording and digital zoom, makes these optics compelling for hogs.
List number 1. AGM Global Vision Rattler V2 Thermal Imaging Rifle Scope for Hunting. The Rattler V2 19256 is a compact, high-sensitivity thermal scope with a 2.5x base magnification and a 9.3-degree field of view. It emphasizes fast targeting, an 11.5-hour dual-power runtime, and a robust feature set including 10 reticle styles, 4 color palettes, an 8x digital zoom, plus a stadiometric rangefinder. The IP67 waterproofing and a wide operating temperature range, -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, make it well suited to harsh field conditions, while onboard shot-activated recording adds a turnkey field use advantage. The device weighs about 6.34 ounces and ships with a mount, USB cable, lens cloth, and a 5-year warranty, signaling AGM's confidence in durability and service life. In practice, the 19256 excels for close to mid-range hunting where reaction time matters. The wide field of view combined with 2.5 to 8x digital zoom supports scanning across brush and moving targets, reducing the need to re-aim frequently. The dual rechargeable power system helps maintain uptime during long sits, and the stadiometric rangefinder supports quick distance estimation in dynamic environments. However, the limited magnification ceiling means longer range shots may rely on windage or ballistic holds rather than optical magnification, and the 256x192 resolution, while solid, is outpaced by some newer units at higher end of the market.
List number 2. AGM Global Vision Rattler V2 Thermal Imaging Rifle Scope for Hunting. The Rattler V2 25-256 pairs a 25mm germanium lens with a 3.5x base magnification, delivering extended reach and detection up to 1,250 yards. It shares the same extended runtime of up to 11.5 hours with removable power and a similar feature set: 10 reticles, 8x digital zoom, stadiometric rangefinder, shot-activated recording, IP67 waterproofing, and a rugged build suitable for real-world hunts. This model broadens detection range and introduces a larger objective for improved low-light performance and long-range detection. Performance-wise, the 25-256 is the pick for long-range scenarios and open terrain where targets may be beyond practical daylight visibility. The larger 25mm aperture improves sensitivity, enabling clearer faint signatures at distance, while the 3.5x base magnification remains manageable for still hunting and stalking. The extended lens and higher 37-foot field of view at close range support rapid target confirmation. Potential trade-offs include a heavier optic and a slightly more complex baseline setup due to the larger form factor, which could influence mounting options and rifle balance. List number 3. AGM Rattler TS19-256 Thermal Imaging Rifle Scope 12 microns 256x192. The Rattler TS19-256 features a 256x192 thermal detector with 12-micron pixel pitch paired with adaptive AGC, DDE, and 3D DNR image processing. It includes a 1024x768 thermal visualization, a 0.39-inch OLED display, 16 GB internal storage, Wi-Fi transmission, and supports 8x digital zoom with multiple color palettes. The unit also records video and stills and is rated for water resistance and shock tolerance with a 5-year warranty. Power is supplied by a battery life up to 4.5 hours of continuous use, with external power options available. This model emphasizes image processing quality and data handling, making it suitable for hunters who rely on crisp heat signatures and easy review of footage. The embedded 16 GB storage and Wi-Fi offload are strong value propositions for fieldwork and sharing hunt data. The 4.5-hour runtime is modest compared to the V2 variants, which may require more frequent recharges on long expeditions.
The 12-micron detector is competitive, though not at the top end of modern detectors, and image clarity will depend on ambient conditions and detector performance in the 7 to 9-micron range.
List number 4. Sightmark Wraith Mini 2x16 by 35 Thermal Rifle Scope. Sightmark's Wraith Mini combines a compact 2x16 by 35 optical path with a 384 by 288 thermal sensor. It offers 5 thermal color palettes, 9 reticle colors, and 5 configurable zero profiles, along with a built-in camera and audio recording, and memory expansion up to 256 gigabytes. The scope features a 1024 by 768 display, 2x optical magnification, and 1x 8x digital zoom. It also provides IP-rated ruggedness and a 1,400-yard detection capability, making it a versatile option for varied hunting scenarios and field recording. In use, the Wraith Mini stands out for its versatility and user-customizable visuals. The 5 profiles reduce re-zeroing friction when moving between setups, and the integrated camera plus mic facilitates quick sharing of field footage. While the 2x optical magnification is modest, the 8x digital zoom provides flexibility for mid-range engagements. The aluminum chassis and 3-year warranty are solid, though the initial price may be higher than some entry-level options, and real-world detection range will depend on environmental factors and target contrast.
List number 5. AGM Global Vision Varmint V2 Thermal Imaging Rifle Scope LRF for hunting. The Varmint V2 LRF is a longer-range model with a 35mm objective, 600-meter laser rangefinder, 600-meter level detection capabilities, OLED display, and built-in ballistic calculator. It supports 12 micrometer detector technology, 50 Hz refresh, and multiple zoom levels, 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x. Onboard video recording, Wi-Fi, and 16 gigabytes internal storage provide comprehensive data capture, while standby mode and external power support enhance field usability. The 5-year warranty reinforces AGM's reliability for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. This model targets longer-range versatility with integrated ballistic tools and a laser rangefinder, suitable for precision hunting and varmint control at mid to long distances. The OLED display is sharp for field readability, and the high refresh rate helps with motion tracking. Trade-offs include its relatively heavier weight and more complex feature set, which may require steeper setup and more extensive zeroing across different configurations. The 35mm lens and higher-end feature set make it a robust choice for dedicated long-range hunters.